33.
33.
He is not safe,
33%.
but he has definitely improved his position from August.
August.
Cleofas Bhai?
आता
See, I feel a lot will depend upon, say, how the Congress.
And this is
goes
another
ahead.
constituency where
Yes,
AAP has
yes.
declared a
Correct,
candidate.
correct. Congress, and no, even after AAP declaring the candidate,
There is no rise.
there is no change.
don't change.
But it looks like from the way Churchill has shifted to NCP, they are planning some sort of alliance, and that alliance may happen, and it is a Congress fight between Congress and him. But see, there in Benauli, everybody talks of one factor called the Maria factor, supposed to be very powerful there. Now, which side Maria shifts? If she is with Churchill, they say Churchill is through. If Maria stands herself, then they say Kaito could be through. You know that this Maria has been with
But there is
Churchill all
one
along.
factor with respect to Churchill.
Yes.
In last election, Churchill was perceived as this big villain with family Raj and PWD and corruption and Louis Berger and everything. Banawalika has forgotten all that. Now that you are saying that if Churchill becomes a candidate, he becomes a heavyweight candidate against
No,
Kaitu.
I'm not saying
so
that.
all is forgotten and forgiven.
See, the whole problem is when you talk of 33%, I'm talking of it is quite coming down. See, it should have been, I mean, going by Benauli, it should have been about 70-75%. So when you talk of 33%, it means that is down. It is the graph is going down, and Congress in Benauli, at least now, is seen as Churchill with this, at least the type of alignment that is going to take place. It looks like Churchill.
That's why it is going down here.
Yes.
He was unsafe in August, Avertan Furtad. He is safe in October, and probably because of the reluctancy of so many Congress leaders about contesting in Naveli. What are the numbers in Naveli? Very interesting.
Once again, the mood is moving towards BJP. It is Congress has been losing. Congress has gone from 26 to 19%. BJP plus MGP and BJP is 49%. AAP has gone to 13% from 8%, and the rest is with others.
Anil Bab, किती दिसता? ही reluctancy जी आसा लुइजिन फालेरोची, I still don't know whether I am contesting or no. He is going in favor of Avertan.
ती कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पळय जी आसा ती तशी काँग्रेसची कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी न्ही ती आता
बरोबर. ताची डेमोग्राफी चेंज जाल्या.
Yes,
खूप चेंज जाला. दवर्ली आणि कितें हें ते जवळ जवळ थंय आता 4000 आणि समथिंग बीजेपीचे वोटर्स आसात.
Committed voters.
कमिटेड वोटर आसात. ते सामके हे सगळे होल ब्लॉक जो आसा तो तेन्ना आवेर्तनाक पडिल्लो. आज कितें जालां तेन्ना आनी एक काम जाल्लें. काँग्रेसची मतां लुइजिनाची मतां ती ताका पडिल्ली.
Correct.
दोन ह्या दोन फॅक्टरांक लागून आवेर्तना आयिल्लो. आतां कितें जालां आतां चर्चिल हो आमचो लुइजीन हे सगळे एक जाल्यात. दोन तिसरी कितें जालें थंय आतां बीजेपीचे थंय कॅन्डिडेट आमी म्हणटा कितें बीजेपीचे 4,500 वोटर आसात तर आमकां कित्याक कॅन्डिडेट दिवचो न्हय हेंय थंय सद्या सुरू जालां. म्हणजे हें चित्र अजून ती पिक्चर क्लियर जायना. पूण एक अशें आतां ताजो जो परफॉर्मन्स जो आसा ताणें काम खूब केलां. म्हणजे सो मेनी
You are saying this is a result of his performance.
परफॉर्मन्स हे कामाचो कित्याक ताणें हाजे पळय ते हाजे दलीत समाज पळय जो आसा आमचो पळय ST तांचे खातीर तांणी 2-3 हॉल बांदल्यात. तांचे खातीर आनी कसले स्किमी हाडून दिल्यात. तांकां अंडरग्रावंड ड्रेनेज केल्या. हांगा हॉस्पिटल बांदलां नावेले हॉस्पिटल बांदलां. ह्यो कांय स्किमी तांणी खुबश्यो मोठ्यो फास्ट हाडून दवरल्यात दाखयल्या. म्हणून ताका लागून हो परफॉर्मन्स थंय आसा. पूण हो परफॉर्मन्स आनी थोडेशें उरतलो काय कितें?
No. I think the problem is when you look at Avertan, you look at Avertan without any opposition. See, now there is nobody against him. Luizin is also not declaring that he is not contesting. He is also not declaring that he is contesting. So, from that perspective, he becomes a front runner. So much front runner. Elections are now coming. From August, it may have thought that Luizin would contest, or somebody would come.
Yeah.
So
there will be some crystallization.
And that would happen. So we are in October. So it looks like nothing is happening from the other side, and then he goes into a safe zone.
Derek, you agree with that?
Apart from that, what I find very strange, that the rest of Goa is telling independents, please join a political party. In Salsette, they are almost telling them, please remain independents. because he's safe.
Because in Salse, they are not feeling Congress as an option, and they cannot reconcile in BJP.
Yes. It's Congress versus Congress in most of those constituencies there, you know. So I agree with Cleophas. What he's saying is there is no.
Pramod, what I feel, की BJP to the candidate I lost that, like he's a loser.
Yeah, the only threat that Averta has right now is BJP deciding that they will put a candidate.
Candidate, yes.
No, but they can't do it. He is their sitting minister. See, he is a minister in the cabinet. You can't say that we are not supporting you.
त्यांका जर जिंकपाची शक्यता आसा BJP on their own, why they should support an independent?
No, they don't have a capacity to win on their own. I don't think Mr. Anil Pai is suggesting that they can win on their own. No, that is not possible.
No.
They- yeah.
Okay.
There were actually a few people in that constituency who identified him as a BJP MLA. They
Oh,
don't
yeah.
even identify him as being an
Independent.
independent.
Because he's a minister, no?
Yeah, so they identified him as a BJP man.
लास्ट विकाक ताका बीजेपी जॉईन जा म्हणून ताका काल डिक्लेअर केला आपण जायना म्हणून
Okay, next. This is interesting. And this is another constituency where AAP has declared a candidate, and that to a candidate like Elvis Gomes. He was 50-50 in August. We had not called him unsafe because he was really 50-50 in August. Rajan Naik is going to safe zone in October.
I think Elvis makes
The
him
neighbor
safe.
of Cuncolim, I'll start with you.
No, I think Elvis has made him quite safe.
Elvis has made him quite
safe.
safe. How would you explain this phenomenon from
See-
50-50 to safe?
See, Elvis has made him safe because it is now expected that your Jockey Alema would be there. Whether he gets a Congress ticket or he does not get the Congress ticket, he is there. If he does not get the Congress ticket, then the proposed Congress candidate Clafasio is also there. So in a contest like this, with Elvis, Jockey, Clafasio, Rajan is safe.
Rajan is safe.
I think Elvis has helped him.
So people have exactly gauged the mood you are saying.
Yes, absolutely.
करेक्ट आहे कितें आशिल्लें जाणा आतां हो थंयच्या कोंकणी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कोणाक नाका म्हळ्यार तो मनीस बरो म्हणटा ते सगळे हाजे कडच्यान कसलेंच काम जाना एक एडवर्टायजमेंट जर हाडपा जाली तर ती एडवर्टायजमेंट सुद्दां हाजे हाडपा जायना पूण जालें कितें एल्वीस तितलो पावरफूल जोकीम तिसरो क्लाफस आनी एक्स चेअरपर्सन देवेंद्र नायक हे थंय आतां कॅन्डिडेट जाल्यात म्हण हे कॅन्डिडेट जेन्ना पळय जाल्यात तेन्ना हे तशें पावरफूल आसा ही मत सगळी डिवायड जावपाचें आसा
Last time, we were told that AAP is on an upsurge there.
Yes.
Yes.
What is this upsurge?
Okay.
To what extent?
This time it has come now. Last up was almost 50%. Now it is down to 13%.
1-3.
1-3.
1-3 from 50 to 1-3.
But here, no, it's quite possible that see Elvis's name was declared before,
Just
No, no, no.
just
days
after
before-
then
No,
there when they
it
went
is
for
not
their
a question.
survey.
Just before, days
from,
before the
I
survey.
think from day one, it was known that he would be.
It was known.
it
He was
known.
not
I don't
formally
think-
declared.
Yes, it was
Only it
only
was not
not
formally
formally
known.
declared.
पण माझ्या माहितीप्रमाणे ही वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शन दिस टाइम तांणी सांगलं की आपल्याला तिकीट नाका म्हण जेन्ना ताका कळ्ळें एल्वीस बी जाता म्हण वोट डिवायड जाता तेन्ना नाव ही इन द पिच
He has put his neck on the chopping block.
Because now he knows that without
Yeah.
making much of the hard work,
He's safe.
this can happen.
Yeah.
He can be safe. Okay. Next. Benjamin Silva was 50-50 in Welim in August. He is 50-50 in October. Now, Cleophas Bab, you want to push him in unsafe zone?
Yeah, I would push him in unsafe.
Okay, you would push him in
Yeah,
unsafe zone.
I still feel that it would be say up is some factor there. It would be more between Congress and Goa Forward if they clash.
Yes.
What if Congress go forward and AAP put a candidate? What happens to Benjamin Silva?
No way. See,
Even
I am telling you, AAP, Goa Forward and Congress together, he is nowhere.
No,
Just
if
nowhere.
there are three candidates,
Which three candidates?
if there is a Congress candidate, if there is a Goa forward
See,
candidate,
he has
the
a
way
very
it
high
looks
chance.
now, and if there is a AAP candidate,
Correct, he has a very high chance without AAP. He has a very high chance without AAP. Only if AAP does not put up candidate and that candidate, he can come up.
so you are saying even if there is a four-corner fight,
Yes.
then also he loses.
Yeah.
It's that
Yes,
bad.
yes, it's-
Okay.
येस करेक्ट कित्याक ताजो परफॉर्मन्स पळय जो आसा न्ही तो ताजे कडेन सद्या बरी ना ताणें जें कितें हें दिल्लें काम करपाचें पळय दिल्लें ती इतली प्रपोजल गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन धाडिल्ली आसा ती 6 ते 7 सुमार आसात जवळ ती तशी पडून आसा दुसरें ज्या लोकांनी पळय ताका निवडून दिल्ले ते बोटवाले आनी हे ते कुटमण आनी तें ताणें तो काम करूंक शकलो ना तें ना आनी दुसरें म्हणजे कितें पयलींचो जो पळय हे आशिल्लो एक्स मिनिस्टर फिलीप नेरीचें थंय काँग्रेसचें हें इल्लें चड आसा ताजे बरोबर ते सगळे लोक आसात आनी हो म्हणटा तशें कितें आमचे लोफात म्हणटा तशें की थंय हें खरें जालां पण आप थंय आसा आपा परस थंय चड असो म्हाका दिसता गोवा फॉरवर्डाचें थंय
गोवा फॉरवर्ड
आसा
काँग्रेस.
गोवा फॉरवर्ड आनी काँग्रेस जर एक जायत न्ही तर हाजें हें सुद्दां वता.
Babu Kavlekar is very interesting. This is very interesting, and again, I think this is a factor which is related to being in the ruling. August he was safe, October he is unsafe, and the tip is safe if he joins BJP, MGP. I think Babu is getting elected from 2002,
Yeah.
and we are in 2016, and this is 17. So for 15 years, he has not been a minister even once, and I think that is a different kind of anti-incumbency that is getting developed in KP.
No, but when Congress was in power, he was more powerful than ministers.
Okay, so what are the numbers, Neville?
In terms of satisfaction with him, actually there is around 60% odd satisfaction with him. But in terms of vote, a large amount of vote is going to BJP. That is almost 64% count in that constituency is going to BJP, which earlier was just around 34. Now this is again one constituency where lots of people have been talking about the fact that we are considering BJP not the person because of surgical strike. But beyond that, you need to see whether this will continue over a period of time or this is purely for the period where recall is there of such an activity.
Derek?
I was surprised by this surge because of the
And
surgical strikes.
that too in KP.
It's a little
Of
bit
all areas.
It's a little surprising, but okay.
Congress also has had an increase from 18 to 29% of vote share there. But
Now,
yes,
now.
yes,
But
but
he's,
in general,
Then in general, what even I have noticed while going through the data is that people feel that Congress will not come to power. See, the basic feeling.
Yeah, correct.
even
You are right.
that- that-
Perception,
No, no,
yes.
correct. Perception.
and that is affecting him. So it is
Correct,
not
correct.
that his individual satisfaction level. But then if you are going to be in Congress and if you are going to sit in opposition for another 5 years,
we won't get the benefit.
Yeah.
That is
We don't
the
get
And second point he आनी जालें थंय की एक्स मिनिस्टर प्रकाश वेळीप तो जॉइन टू BJP आणि मेजॉरिटी पीपल तांचे लोक आसात.
but this is a constituency which is there with MGP as far as the present alliance formation is concerned. Yeah.
आतां ताका कितें जालां हाका कितें जालां खोला आगोना हे थोडें पळय थंय पळय मेळ्ळ्या पळय ही थंय मेजॉरिटी तो थंय आसा पूण ही जी पळय ते हांगचे पळय आसा शेड्यूल्ड हे पळय ट्रायब पळय लोक आसा ट्रायबल एरिया ही ट्रायबल एरियेक तांकां दिसपा लागला की आमचो मनीस जर थंय आयलो तर थंय कोणी तरी मिनिस्टर जातलो आनी ह्या हातूंतल्यान हें सगळें थंय घडलां आनी म्हणून ते कितें करता ताका तो आतां MGP जॉइन जावपाचो तेजें कारण हेंय बी आसा की काँग्रेसीन रावन सुद्दां आपलें कांय काम जावपाचें ना.
So you are saying Babu is already on the way towards BJP MGP.
Yes, yes.
So even he has understood this mood.
Right,
I think
yes.
that has come out in the press
Yeah.
that he may join, may not join.
No, that's what, but he
Yeah.
is saying that he is already on the way. Already on the way. But he has understood this public mood.
Yes, yes.
That Congressik रावन लोकांक ते बरें पच्चिना म्हणून. Okay. Next. Now this is one thing which has even surprised me. And which has surprised me beyond doubt because of the numbers. Nilesh Cabral is considered as one of the safest seats of the BJP.
Yes.
In August. It is one of the most unsafe seats in October. And the swing is huge. I'll ask you
Yeah,
to
the
tell the
numbers,
number.
yeah, yeah.
Because this has even surprised me
this
a
is
lot.
something that surprised
Yeah.
even us in
Yeah.
the data. Kurcholem Congress has gone from around 15% expected vote share, even if Congress plus Alliance, 20% vote share to 61%. BJP on the other side has gone from 43 to 27. AAP and all the other players are really irrelevant in the
I don't
equation.
So what do you mean when you say Congress? You mean like you actually ask them, will you vote for the Congress?
Yeah, they were
or
given
the
options of Congress,
See, but,
BJP,
see,
Congress-led
the
alliance,
whole-
BJP, MGP.
see, No, and you are, this is again surprising because Congress does not have a face there.
Yes, there, yes.
Without a face, you say Congress is safe.
But this is a mining area. It's a very interesting thing. This is a mining area. He comes from that area. It's a very surprising thing, and the numbers, as I told you, is not neck to neck. It's a huge swing at people voting in, and there's a consistency in all the questions we asked. There's a consistency of opinion towards Congress in this constituency, and very, very clear. Derek, how would you look at this?
Very surprised
Yeah, it
actually.
is
Very surprising. I mean,
Very surprising.
very surprising because there is no real
See, I will tell you
change
one
on
thing.
the ground, you know.
See, when the elections took place last, and within 1 year, say during the Lok Sabha elections, he was seen as arrogant. But I feel across these years, that image has gone, I would say in the past 1 year or so, he was seen as safe, and I also considered him safe.
Yeah, well, these numbers have, that's why I said the numbers, we have cross-checked it, and they have even surprised us. Anilva.
One other change that has happened is votes that were there earlier for Goa Forward and UP have got fully transferred to Congress. Now, I'll just give you the figures
Because in
for
last survey, we had given an option called Goa Forward plus UP, assuming that this coalition can take place. Today we know that there is no possibility of that kind of a coalition. That vote share is completely getting transferred to
that was
Congress.
almost 20% at that point of
That's
time.
right,
It has
that
gone
time
to
it was 20%.
It has
That
gone to
is
0%.
wholesale
2%.
transfer towards
It has got
Congress.
wholesale transfer
Yeah.
towards.
अनसेफ असो तो म्हाका दिसना पूण आनी दोन कारणां ताका आसात एक कारण म्हणल्यार कितें आसा तिळामळ प्लेस तिळामळ टू कुरसोरे हो जो एक वाटेचो बेल्ट जो आसा ते थंय काँग्रेसचे लोक ते डॉमिनीक बी रावता डॉमिनिकाचे रावता पळय मिल बी सगळे ते थंय काँग्रेसचे लोक ताजे नंतर ब्रीज काडून जसं जालें न्ही तें सगळें ते मायनींग एरिया हो मायनींग एरियेचोय प्रॉब्लेम ताजेर पडूंक शकता कित्याक हांणी कांय करूना कित्याक तो सावड्ड्याचो परिणाम पळय एक्झॅक्टली सावड्डे पळय तो कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आसा ताजो इफेक्ट कुडचड्याचेर जाता आनी सांग्याचेर कुडचो आनी केपें जाता अशें जाताच
They are economically
Yeah,
also
are we taking
connected.
Savarden today?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Let us look
let's
at
go.
it.
Let's go to the next one. Where this
Let
is-
us look at it with Savarden.
No, Savade, I think is safe. Yes, he was safe in August. He is safe in October. That's a very interesting thing. Sarabab, किती दिसतं तुमका?
तांणी जी कामां केल्या पळय विशेषतः एक कॉलेज काडलें पळय एस टी ट्रॅफिकच्या हे खातीर आनी बाकीचे जे कामां पद्दत जी आहा पळय किंवा लोकां कडेन वागपाची पद्दत दॅट वील हेल्प हिम.
That will help him.
Yeah.
So
Why do
now,
you think
now
that-
you are when you say Ganesh Gaonkar is safe, he is safe or the party is safe?
Party is safe.
BJP.
So the BJP president can now think of contesting from there.
It's a very, it looks like a very safe seat for the
So
BJP.
now Tendulkar can think of going to Savarden.
Yes.
So he
but last week all sarpanchas against him आणि पार्टी प्रेसिडेंटी कडेन गेल्यात हाका तिकेट दिनाका बीजेपी थंय येवपा जाल्यार हाका तिकेट दिनाका म्हणून
so
No, that's what he's saying.
Yes, yes, yes.
The voter is inclined towards BJP,
BJP.
not
Not
necessarily Ganesh
specifically the
Gaonkar.
candidate.
yes yes
Irrespective of the
So
candidate.
what will happen is if BJP puts up their president and he stands as an independent,
Then there will be
I
a
think
side.
that will be
I
a
don't
big problem for the BJP. Huh?
Yes.
But I don't think Ganesh Gaonkar is not a that type of person. If Tendulkar is there, he will back out.
Will back out. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Next. Sange Subhash Paldesa is safe. In August also he was safe. In October also he was safe. Anil Bab, किती दिसता? It's again a classic case of not having faith in the opposition.
ही ताणे कितें जालां थंय थोडीशीं कामां केल्या बरी कोणें आनी फळदेसायन कामां केल्यात एक पूण सेफ म्हणटा तें पळय आसा न्ही तें म्हाका सेफ अशें दिसना
You are putting him in 50-50 or unsafe.
तो 50-50
You are putting him in 50-50.
50-50 कित्याक सांगता थंय आतां ते पळय ते आपान एक कोणा तरी हें दिल्लें आहा तो गांवकार प्रसाद गांवकार
Prasad Gaonkar.
प्रसाद गांवकारान आपान दिल्लें आहा रवींद्र वेळीप का कोण तो
Yeah, रवींद्र वेळपाक आपण दिला.
Ravindra Veli.
Ravindra Vedi is up.
आप आनी प्रसाद गांवकार एनसीपी कितें एनसीपी म्हणजे हे दोन पळय आसात न्ही थंय हे थंय तो आतां म्हाका सांग हे हो सेफ का बीजेपी सेफ
Again, it is BJP safe.
हां बीजेपी
Yeah,
सेफ
it is not. In
is
this
not
this belt,
Right.
we are very clear.
Right.
Except that surprising numbers of Kurchore, it is the BJP that is
is
safe.
safe.
It is not the it is not the individual.
थंय कितें जालां
candidate.
एक्स एम एल ए गांवकार
Main Gaonkar.
मेन गांवकारान ती आमी तिकीट मागल्या
वासू गावकर.
वासू गांवकारान ती मेन तिकीट मागल्या ती जर नाल्यार तो म्हणटा आपूण उबो रावतलो थंय तें आसा दुसरो हे दोन पर्सन आसा हे जर तिगी जाण जर मातशें जाली जाय तर हाका दोग आसा
Doka, okay.
I go with
Completely
him.
agree
Yeah.
with that.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to the last one for today, and that is Ramesh Tavadkar. He looks safe. In August he was safe. In October also he is safe. What happens, Anil Bab, in a case of straight fight?
थंय जालें कितें थंय सद्या ओपोजिशन जें आसा
हय.
तें अजून थंय क्लियर जायना
Yes, not clear.
काँग्रेसचे म्हणटात एक तो म्हणटा वो
According to me, I do not know. He's from Cuncolim. But I look at it as a triangular contest.
येस
The way Vijay
Which benefits Ramesh?
No, it does not benefit Ramesh. It does not benefit him because that Vijay Koth factor is a huge factor. It would affect him. Now, in a triangular contest, Congress could win there. But if Khoth shifts to Congress, maybe, I don't know, he could also be a winner.
So
I fully agree with him because Vijay Khoth is fully prepared to contest the
He is
election.
contesting, there's no doubt about
okay,
it.
where are you guys putting him? You are putting him in unsafe or 50-50?
नाही विजय खोत जर रावलो न्ही
हय.
जाल्यार ही 50-50
50-50. You are not putting him in unsafe but.
ना ना
Okay.
ना ना
तो कितें जालां सध्या थंय ओपोजिशन म्हणजे हाजे ओपोजीन
See, one more thing, Vijay Khoth is contesting, Isdor is also contesting.
Contesting.
Whether Congress ticket is there or not, he shall be there.
Correct.
Because, for some of them, the age is catching up, so they have to be there. So they
So
cannot.
in that kind of a triangular contest, you still give,
Triangular contest,
whom do you give a chance then?
See-
Vijay Paikot, Isidore and Ramesh Thakurkar.
See,
If there's a triangular then
He should come through.
Yeah,
In a
No,
triangular
but-
contest, however, you are
yes.
giving chance to Ramesh.
sure sure
Okay.
sure
no, in a triangular contest, I would say Congress.
Congress means who?
Isidor. He's now.
You are giving an edge to
Yeah,
Isdor.
Isidor. In a triangular contest.
Okay. What are the numbers in Cuncolim?
Cuncolim Congress has got 26%, BJP is still showing as 41%. Where things have changed a lot is Cuncolim there was 36% last time for BJP plus MGP, which that plus BJP was coming to almost 60%, which was making him safe. That number has disappeared. It has come down to 41 for him, but that number BJP MGP number has disappeared. The same thing has happened in Sangye also actually. Last time we had 32% BJP MGP as a combine. That number in Sangye has come down to 7%. So that whatever polarization, it has become only BJP.
Only
we don't
BJP.
look at coalition there.
Not as a
factor has
coalition
been-
factor.
See, as far as Cuncolim is concerned, it looks like Khoth is there. Now, Khoth is there as, even in an alliance, he may still be Sudhin Davlikar's person there.
Yes.
He may be still Congress person there. You can't say, but he's there. So this time he's there.
This
So
time he's there.
He's there.
But sir, only thing is you feel that in a triangular contest,
Yeah.
Ramesh is safe.
No, but the problem is Khoth takes a chunk from Ramesh.
Yeah.
That is the problem.
ट्रायंगल फेक जाले आणि जर ताका एमजीचो सपोर्ट ताका मेळ्ळो आनी मेळटलोय बी तो नाव हो आसून सुद्दां मेळटलोच मेळ्ळो जाल्यार विजय
No, but on which party is Vijay contesting then?
मिनी अजून ते ठरला
That,
म्हणजे
that they have got decided. He's
MG
there.
cannot support Vijay if he's a Congress candidate.
Yeah.
And if MG is in alliance.
Why not?
Because if
Why
MG
not?
is in
I
alliance.
think the whole game lies there.
No,
Then
but
maybe
they are asking MGP to do a pre-poll alliance and break after the
according
polls.
to me, lot of them would be there standing as candidates.
Do you agree with this?
Independent,
No,
independent
this cannot
candidates. Independent candidates with MG support.
I am not saying
No, they
independent.
cannot
I am
support.
saying Vijay Khoth is a Congress candidate.
Yeah.
Will it not be wrong
No.
for MGP to support
No,
him?
no, Vijay Khoth is a Congress candidate, no.
No.
But Vijay Khoth may be an independent candidate with the MG support.
Okay, with MG support.
See, but that will be behind the curtain like
Behind
Yeah.
the curtain.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Now this is a question. Will you vote a government based on the schemes it provided? Now this is a very, very interesting thing. In August, only 37% people said that they will vote for this government because of the schemes. In October, 50% people are saying that they will vote for this government because of schemes. So that getting personal benefits and that crystallization is also visible here. Derek, how are you looking at this? Now people are clearly saying you have given us these dole schemes, whatever it is, and we will stand by you.
These doles and schemes and all, there's a lot of money,
Lot of money
a lot of
involved,
money going to the people. Now, so people might just feel a little more obliged to
Yes.
vote for this government. But there is another factor also, like what Aap was saying is that these schemes, now they have been introduced by BJP. Even if the Congress, any other party that comes to power cannot stop them.
Cannot stop them. That part is right.
No, the
So,
basic point is
basic-
when
I should-
Congress was in power for 5 years, they did not do a single scheme like this. BJP did it, so let's reward them. That's the basic feeling I'm talking about.
That could be the basic
governance by
feeling
no, basically what he's saying is governance by schemes.
by schemes.
Governance by schemes.
Yes.
Neville, what are the numbers
the
and why there is a change in these numbers? And that's a substantial, a 13% jump
Increase.
from August. What is the, how do you explain
one
it?
of these factors I would say possibly is that the government has been offering new schemes and they have promised something for the youth, including mobile and data and all that kind of thing.
free talk time.
Free talk time.
एक जालें म्हणजे कितें की फाटली ऑगस्टाचे पयलीं बिफोर रेनी सिजन BJP लोकां कडेन संपर्क मातसो कमी जाल्लो लोकां कडेन पावनाशिल्ले पूण जेन्ना पळय आतां इलेक्शनाचें हें वाजलें तेन्ना सगळ्या परस डोर टू डोर 2-2, 3-3 खेप वचून ह्यो स्किमी तांकां घेया आमचे दीनदयाल स्कीम आनी कितें
डोर स्टेप
डोर स्टेप जाले पळय न्ही ताका लागून ताणें हाय जंप मारल्या ती तातूंत हें सगळें जालां आनी बाकीचे सगळें ते कितें डेव्हलपमेंटाचें कांय कोणूच घेवन गेलो ना एक गोवा फॉरवर्ड 2-4 कडेन वचून घेता जर जायत त्या शिवाय
But this is actually a very dangerous.
No, it might
Extremely dangerous.
The voter psychoanalysis
No, no,
is
that's
a
okay.
dangerous
That's
thing.
very
But
dangerous.
that's what the voter is saying.
No, but also if you remember, in several constituencies, people have said up because they are looking for more schemes, including free electricity and all that.
Yes,
It's
because
not
he said, no,
something.
if the present government is giving you one chapati, we'll give you 2 chapatis.
Correct.
पूण हें कितें आसा ना पळय आतां स्कीम प्रोवायडेड गव्हर्मेंटान स्कीम प्रोवायडेड केल्यो म्हणून ते ही मत पडटलें अशें न्ही
Just in August, only 30%, 37% people are saying की स्कीमिक लागून आम्ही मारतले म्हणून आज ते 50% क्रॉस
नाही
झाले
कारण कितें ह्या खेपे
That might also be because people have been slightly more honest this time.
नो
There is some, no,
As we were discussing in
I
the
think,
yesterday's
no,
program.
I think the whole problem also is the way you approach the people.
Approach.
I think that has worked this more in
So
giving
you are saying this
confidence.
is a more honest answer.
Yes,
Ah,
yes,
yeah,
certainly.
yes,
no.
Okay.
Yes.
Next. Last I saw the worst traits of a candidate. Now this is very very interesting. Corrupt म्हणून जो आशिल्लो तो 45.9 आशिल्लो ऑगस्टान तो आता कमी जावन 35 चेर पावला. क्रिमिनल जो आशिल्लो तो 35.4 आशिल्लो ऑगस्टान तो आता 22 चेर पावला कमी जाला आणि मेन गजाल कम्युनल म्हणून जो आशिल्लो तो फक्त 5.71% आशिल्लो. That has gone up by 10% this time. So very very interesting. Low performer only 10% आशिल्लो ऑगस्टान तो लो परफॉर्मर 19.8% जाला. फॅमिली 2.9% आशिल्ले फॅमिली राज ते 6%चेर पावला. Very interesting. Voter is getting crystallized, Derek.
They could be getting crystallized, or it also depends, at the time at which the interview was held. Yes, there could have been something in the news, or there could have been something happening locally which has altered these figures. So the timing is crucial. The timing of the survey is crucial. And second thing, maybe some crystallization. But if you look at this graph and the previous other graph that you showed about development and corruption, then that development goes up, that corruption thing comes down. Yes. So I look at this as that mood at that particular time when the interview was conducted. That is why you are having this kind of a change.
See, that low performer
Yeah.
again could be seen as, we were saying the people vote for the party. It doesn't matter who the candidate is. So maybe it is seen from that perspective.
Now, why corruption and criminal has come down and communal has gone up? That's a very interesting thing.
I have one observation.
No, but
Yeah.
I don't think it has gone up like that. But
You're saying
I
it
think
is not gone up substantially.
substantially, but
Yeah, Neville,
the
what
way
is-
you
what is the
approach,
point
the
you're
way you
making?
approach.
What happened is also the dates of our surveys were just after Congress had that bike rally all across South Goa to so-called make people
Nationalization.
sensitive to the issues of the BJP government. So it was, I think, we
No,
started the survey
that
the
was
day
very
after
locally
that.
based. That was very small, local based.
No, they had multiple small rallies, but that might have been enough, just enough to, push one or two issues slightly, because it is the most recent that's in the mind.
No.
Recency
The
also
thing that
has.
we are looking at here is these are the worst traits. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 graphs, 6 graphs are at one end of the spectrum. There is the other end which came out in your development and
Correct.
all that, which is also very crucial, and that is a lot more important
Then this.
than this.
But there you are actually going to decide based
On
on
that.
that.
These
Although
are-
you consider these are the worst qualities.
If those you have a problem and you are unable to decide on that, then all these will come.
Yeah, but if you are completely clear about those, you are not even going to look at this. Okay, हांव इतल्याचेर थांबता. 26 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जाल्यात आणि मेजर 4 क्वेश्चन आज आमी घेतले. फाल्यां लास्ट 14 आणि फायनल टॅली. फायनल टॅली कितें दिसता ह्या सगळ्या हाजे उपरांत की कोणाची वाडल्या कोणाची देंवल्या आनी कोण खंय आसा ताजेर आमी भासाभास करतले. हेच पॅनल आसतले आमचे बरोबर. परत मेळया फाल्यां ह्याच टायमाचेर. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.